In the name of Allah, the most gracious and merciful. It's prestige and honor for me to speak in front of reverend dignitaries and excellencies. Today the topic assigned to me is unique and need of the hour to say something on it. And it's the role of Siddiq Akbar in stability of the state of Medina. Their audience and honorable president. As you know that all the companions of court of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam played an essential role in establishing the state of Medina. Every Sahabi did his best, but when we take a bird's eye view of the history of Islam, we come to know that it was Siddiq who played a key role in stability of the state of Medina. It was Siddiq who was ready to assassinate his son in the battle of Badr, which was fought for the state of Medina. It was Siddiq who was ready to assassinate his son in the battle of Badr, which was fought for the state of Medina. He was Siddiq who sacrificed all his wealth for the prosperity of the state of Medina. Honorable President, after the death of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the existence of the state of Medina was in danger, the Ansar did not like any Qurayshi ruler, and Qurayshi could not bear any member of tribe or force and Hazrat as the ruler of the state. In this chaos, he was Siddiq Akbar, who stood up and gathered the people at one platform, and he saved Ummah from a great conflict by his meaningful speech. Honorable President and their audience. Not only that, after the Holy Prophet, many people who recently accepted Islam deviated from Islam because they accepted Islam for the fear of Islamic State. They did not accept Islam from her till now. After the death of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the grip of state loosed on the areas on this. He was Siddiq who sent 11 scores in different areas, who brought the people back to Islam. And Abu Bakr played a key role in the establishment of the state of Medina by bringing the people back toward Islam. Honorable President and our audience. Not only that, after the Holy Prophet, many people claim to be the messenger of Allah Almighty. Many people like Aswad Ansi, Talha bin Khalid and a lady Sajda said that they are prophets of God. They led people to astray, but Siddiq knew the saying of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Ana khatamun nabiyyin la nabiyya ba'di." He knew that there will be no prophet after Muhammad till the day of judgment. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sayyidina Siddiq declared the war against them. Honorable President and their audience. At the beginning of Abu Bakr's Khilafat, many people refused to pay zakat. They said that it is revolt and they will not give it to anyone against their will. But he was Siddiq who told them by sword that if there is an order of Allah, there is no importance of your wish. By trusting God against denials of zakat and by giving poor their rights, Hazrat Abu Bakr established the balance of the state of Medina. Their audience and honorable president. After the war against Muslim lawyers, many of all had been lost. It needed that time to collect the Quran to keep it safe and sound. He was Siddiq who ordered to compile the Holy Quran. By compiling the Holy Quran, he kept the teaching of Allah Almighty safe. And he played a key role in stability of the state of Medina. Honorable President, in short, from every moment of life of Siddiq Akbar, this consequence came to light that Siddiq played a key role in stability and establishment of the state of Medina. Thank you. Wassalam.